Hello, Maria Autiello, $1 Billion Healer here. I just want to give a shout out to Somya. She is amazing at what she does. She will help you grow your Instagram, but she will help you with all your social media. Since I've been working with her, I have my Instagram business page reactivated along with my Facebook business page. She got my YouTube running, an email campaign, and LinkedIn. And she is very creative, marketing genius. She'll put together strategic plans. She's got me into many more groups. She friends specific targeted people. So she is such a pleasure to work with and amazing. So if you're looking for somebody to help support you in your business, she is fabulous. I like to keep her for myself, but anyway, have a good one.